Hey, inna mama. Wagwan. What a you know miss me. That's from week. Oh girl. Then say water more and flour. Water more and flour. Water more than flour, my love. I just there. I contemplate if I go live or I not go live. So you know what? Because when me do the live, when we do the live, when you with the restream with the camera, YouTube will say it's dark. So I buy one webcam. I'm gonna get it yet. So I say, you know what? Let me just do a do the stream here. So how was your day, Mama? How was your day? Do you listen? I eat local ketchup stomach. You know somebody something today and me say me I go call you and me forgot. But when you get that dream, I want to tell you about. Get one dream I'm in a life. And say dream now walk straight. Walk straight at. And me pray say in the walk in a direction and I see. I know what no direction I'm at after. People to just smell all you man. Or be have a procedure when here. Him get through with something. Where you see them put him pan or something different. Oh, something different. Okay. Oh, be a defy all odds, man. All odds in a defy. All odds. Everything I go work out. By the grace of God. Only God will have go done in a film life, nothing else. Ay, Father Jesus, I thank. There, girl. Uh, just a chit chat and I go with the flow. Anything, anything will cover it, we are going. Mm-hmm. YouTube streets. YouTube streets. Streets. Every day you come on YouTube, you hear something else. Every day you come on YouTube, you see something else. If YouTube, whenever something when me do want to do for a long time, that just pop up and leave. But to something I want to do, me no want no want just pack up and leave like that. That's something when me always want. Sometimes we can't take the negative energy or come with being a creator. Too much negative energy. What's going on now? Nothing in particular. You know, you just hear things here, you hear things there, you hear things. It's like people are speculate, a be a speculation, and people now give the facts. People just say this and I say that. That's what they think they know. You understand? Oh, welcome to my life. Welcome, 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 welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. You can pop in the comment section, guys, and say I. Like when people start in the bush too much, I love it. Who in the bush? If you come out and say I, KK, I'm here, I'm in the back. But we always have some people in the back, you know. Welcome to my live. Let me know where you're watching from. Listen, me have one little 1 minute video. From where there, me say the little 1 minute video. You just a take time, trickle, 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 trickle. Every day you look for your dashboard. You see it pande a trickle. Every day you look pande, you see a trickle, trickle, little bit, little by little. Let's get free. Yeah, man, me not do much live this week, but me do quite a few videos to people, but me not do much live this week. My hands were very busy. And by the time I reach home my evening time, sleep was at 2 hours so. Why? I don't know. If I choose sit down on the computer, can't start. Make when time I come over evening time, I can't text. So I say, by the time I come over evening time, I say, who that? My God. Last night, I left from back there, I reach home. You know, normally on Wednesday night, I go one little live. One little, it's even 1 hour. Me drop asleep. Drop asleep. And my body tired, so. And if my eyes them tired, how about? Trust me. Trust me. Yes, I want to do a river. I want to go a river Saturday. I don't know if I go get that. I check up on some river for go Saturday. But I don't want to go back. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. A Clarendon, there's so a Manchester. A Manchester. I bought that Clarendon and Manchester. Remember one day when they go? I don't know if you want to go back to that one day. The one day they good for cook though. That way they cook them. Mind taking its time too. Hey, Miss Titi, what one girl? You good? But you jump on my video today. You ever watch Miss Titi on my video? Yeah, girl. I saw video for your push. I saw video for your the video them now come to it. But I realize the video them I push out. I push out. Miss Titi, you don't want a river progress. So you mean? Me say, me watch your video this morning. You know, see me play your video this morning. After 5. With the callaloo. My God, what about callaloo you get me? What my background noisy? That's what you're saying? No, me see you saying noisy, so me ask if my background noisy. Yeah, Miss TT, remember me telling you probably don't know. On Monday and on Wednesday. You see which part me looking pretty. Thank you. You see where me live? Distant from town. In Kingston. So I come in early on Monday morning and pan. Oh, nice the river. Which part that there? Which part that there? Me come home early. Me come in early on Monday morning and Thursday morning. On Monday morning, my husband Manchester. I wonder if I want where me did go. One river we can cook pan. One river we can cook pan. Yeah, so this morning now when come, I mean at the bus. But on Monday morning, my husband will carry me in because me have all heap of accoutrement. My laptop, my laptop cooler, lunch and everything. So me have load for Monday. husband will carry me in for Monday. But on Thursday, I don't bother if he carry me in. Just jump on a bus and come home and come in a town. Oh yeah, nah. You know where you laughing. I just jump on a bus on Thursday because I go Bible study on Wednesday. So Thursday morning, I just jump on a bus. And I see him hours there. And I see him wake up early, just leave out of the house like 5 o'clock. Get something go to Spanish Town. Get something from Spanish Town. Or the JUTC, but you take. No, sir. Then they move to you are your back. Me I tell her, me I tell yeah, with my husband. As I reach home, me turn up there talk with my bag in my hand. My husband say, Ken, you can't put out the bag without you have that Jesus Christ. Because go and step me to carry bag. Women me have to carry too much bag and load and something. Yeah, 5 a.m. me leave out. Me leave out from Monday and Thursday, 5 a.m. So when me on Thursday now, me go work, me start go work 10 o'clock. Then start give me a little blind, you know? My co-worker, they nice to me, see? So me so tired and I feel tired. My co-worker said, Miss Can, I'm thinking that you can come in late early some days and you come in late some days. Thank you. So me say, all right, me take the Thursday because Monday my husband definitely carry me in. So me there work from like 6 o'clock, 6:15 on a Monday. And on Thursday now, I come here so. I come here so I go sleep again before work time. I go sleep. This one almost 10 o'clock when we wake up this morning. I said, Jesus Christ, I'm tired so man, I don't understand. Like my body vitamins. I'm just tired. As I coming in so. If me never do live, me just sleep early. But we say we have a sacrifice because we have a few blank days. I have a few blank days. So I say when me I go to work, I do my life. But you see the phone when me I use I'm my main phone. The boss then call me on the phone there. Any business, any call me I get on the phone, me normally get it on. So it's like say no make sense we go live because we go probably end the live by the time we reach our work. Me I listen to you. Listen to me, Miss DT. Listen to me. Yeah man, nice river. A nice another river where they as I go over the intersect the Julie and go up look near nice river. I want to go splash man, I'm going with myself. Long time not go a river. Long time we not go a beach. Long time we not also. Ooh. My God, where the and there come from, I'm just drink me. My green tea. I'm not supposed to have fish. So. Anybody in the background? 7 people watching. Guys, welcome to my live tonight with us. So if you want to talk in the comment section, me never interested in the beach. Yeah, it's what happened to me live, make it a spin. Yeah, I say, me tell you something. You see me? I love water so till. I love water. Remember the last year? Or the year before, me carry Kevin go on Airbnb for him birthday. Kevin birthday Kevin birthday and Father's Day fall close. My birthday on the 13th and Father's Day would have been like either the same week or close. And I say we can go on Airbnb then you know. When we check it out, I want to look at hotel one, it depends. And Kevin I say, Ken, so there's like this and then near one community, so it's like the gate to the pool to the community. You kind of set up a way open to the community too. And Kevin I said, Ken, you go around. I said, what you mean? What you mean if me I go around there? Me hardly have time in a car too. Me come work and me come to all in birthday the fall. Me end up have to come work. And then we go Sunday we go church and come back. I think on the Monday morning. I think on Thursday we did it till Monday morning. So we were busy and me that do some gift for Father's Day too. So people are order Father's Day gift on them something. So we say, can you still a girl and pool? We say, well, yeah, say. We can spend much money and come and water the pool I mean the me not going to water. You mad? So I say you stay for a long time. I say you stay for a long time or since you get big. Me can't swim, but me I tell you I love water. Love water so till. Let's say one time I go bathe. I say me go in the bathroom. So me I go bathe. When me done bathing, I just have the shower, just I run for me and I spin around in it. Sometimes my husband say, Ken, you don't bathe yet. Me don't bathe, but me have water. I spin for me body. Me have the water spin. I love water bad, man. I love water bad. So I tell my husband, say, when me have finish my master, finish the master bedroom, I put one jacuzzi in there. I can come at night time. And me want hot water in there too. When I come at night time, I just go lay down and relax. You can't stand it. But tell you, if I were there, I kind of get afraid because too much alligator we have or crocodile. Alligator, crocodile we have crocodile. Too much crocodile in our water, man. I bite off people and this. we get, we get, we catch we afraid. Some of them more for one go river now than more for one go river now than beach. Pool is open from last week. I mean until the second week of September. Never going. Eh? You mad, every year. Me I did it. If it possible, that's because I go every day. You know, me tell you something, so me used to go beach when me still love it, you know what, me just fear now, me nah, you know it. It's when we used to go beach, come put on beach trip, you know. We used to put on beach trip. We go all over. We go Portland, we go when Discovery Beer, we go Negril. How much time we put on trip go Negril. We go Montego Beer. We used to put on trip every year. We used to put on trip. It was about 5, 6 years. One straight. Me put on trip. The trip ever full. Ever full can we board a one bus, but that enough for two bus. So people ever get left. People ever get left from the trip. Yeah. I love water, man. I love water bad, 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 bad. And sometimes when the rain a fall, me will go out in a once the lightning and the thunder in night, me not go do it now. But if it have for regular rain, me wet up, me walk in the rain. I wet up. Love water, man. I love water for a long time. Love water for a long, long time. So now we have the hose, and we have a beard out the door. And just have the hose run for not there something there again, but we used to do it. We used to do it. But I true everybody gets so busy. Everybody gets so busy and life gets so serious. Nobody now want to play again. Nobody now have time for look a recreation again. You just have to dip on the hunt for food. My God. Help us up a little and have fun. Everybody so busy. Nobody now have no time. Nobody now have no time if you not even check on their neighbor. You say I'm foreign. I don't know what truth it is because I never go stay. Every time I go foreign a hotel, I go in and so I don't know a hotel I go in and so I don't know what it's like feel like have neighbor when I go foreign. I'm go there 2 times. Hey, man, that's them. Me I say they over TT, over the black app. If you look at the time, me I say go there for the black app. What go on? Me just there chit chat, you know. And I check for my lovelies then. Thanks for the like. Thanks for the like. Ina, how are you and how you doing? Life is so good. Ina, hope you alright. If not, do too. No, mama, I was doing some laundry. Okay, okay. Adult life, don't CC. Okay, obviously. Adult life, don't. I miss TT from CC. Yes, adult life is hard, man. Boy, we could have get someone to take care of me like going to school. No idea, we don't start taking the lesson. But those guys go go taking the lesson and come on. My God, so much to do, little time. Seriously, may I think seriously that um we need to find a way. We need to find a way to have some things what I call it, automate. You know, we need to stop work for money. We need to start make money work for it. And that's my mindset there. And that's and when you were small, you wish you was an adult. I wish I was an adult when I was younger. Exactly, you know. Um, yeah, me always wish because I always I always believe that I second that man as a bit. Yeah, I always believe. I'll tell you why. Oh, my group, my telling her that wasn't easy. So I always wanted being an adult. My life would be better um where I was at the time, and in fact, it is. Manners ever, why you're hiding your face? Cause me there are the people in place. Remember me I tell them, man, we can't have the camera like. So I'm not do like in a week. That's why I'm not do. I'm try for look when I look at my beautiful face on the screen. Why you don't want to see my face? See? Hope you not see my face on the screen. That's when that is we can put up a background, yes, me I think about it, but in a put action in action. I want to see movements. Hello, Em. Oh, yeah, I want to man as what you know you see no man. Now look on me, I look on the right this song. Fix up myself. I'll show you my face. Cause I can't bother with you now. See me here. You see me? This is me. What else you want? Hi, my name is KK's Kitchen. Open fire. Leave alone. Open fire. My name is KK's Kitchen Hour. I don't know. It come like me see me something spin. I don't know. Something like something with internet. No bother with that thing. No bother with that thing. You can't say no see my face. Or it'll pick up back. I was wondering if it's my internet. No, I'm my own because me look on it on the laptop. I'm looking at it on the laptop. You put on the laptop, me use laptop with you know, on YouTube say. YouTube say it too dark. Man, when you're in your studio, you can you see one something where you start put up in the studio now where you can like check all your video going or your last video going and all them something there. You see that? I told them I same thing. The two of them is the same thing. I don't want the same thing. I don't want the same thing. I want to go on my channel. I don't want the same thing. They might kill my phone with WhatsApp. I'm going to hit a chip out something. I'm the China phone and I don't even know how to find. No, don't disturb on it. I don't know how to find don't disturb, do not disturb on it. My mommy said you are a beautiful girl. Thanks mama for me. Thank her. Only she alone see, you know see. You want to see my face. Like you don't want my face. I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful, it's true. I'm the sun of face in a crowded place. You don't know what to. Where I go? I'm not even know. Where I go? You're beautiful. I'm beautiful. It's true. We used to have this young girl at church. First time. Every time she see me, you're so beautiful. She always hear her about the head big door. I rub me down in her chest and say, so beautiful. Boy, your head big door. She always tell me that. But I told her, you are an adult now. What is this? Am I moving? I haven't looked at my laptop. Eh? Why? I have to use the laptop. I can't bother with the phone too small. I can't bother for maneuver the phone, it is too small. I don't know if my finger then but the phone annoy me bad bad. I probably because Anna son. On China phone it function. When me have one our at A52. One, but it's full up the storage, fully full. So we can't do much on it again. I have the free phone from courts. Not even from flow. Not even start to use that yet. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. That's true. Some of our eggs have to be big. Some have to be small. Some lip have to be long, like half neck. So we can't that. So have to be turned in. LOL. Yeah, but I'm there, you know. You know, so your ball off the whole of your head. Boy, I wish we could have. It's my head too big. Ball off. It not gonna fit me. That's why you see me lock it. I just can't bother with the ear business right now. And wig look like enough for me. Every time I put on wig, me sweat. Me not stop sweat until I take off the wig off of my head. So me realize, the wig is not for me. So I'm not going to force myself to no wig. Because it's not for me. Now care what me alright as me draw the piece of wig so I be a sweat and drop until me take off the wig off of my head. I buy one wig more and sell it back in, me have one way in there. The phone is easier to navigate, that's why. The phone not resize your head. There's surgery for every part of our body. I need 50 weeks. I want 50 weeks to do. I buy 1 week, I sell it. I buy 1 week about 2 years ago. Then say a human here, I don't know. 2 years ago, I think. If I did for Oliver to ride for Kevin birthday, because I always do look birthday or anniversary. I never really like nothing. Can't put excitement. To look and recognize it. Oh. Me? I gotta sell it back. I put it out and see. Nobody wants it to buy. Not at all. You know, because when that time when they check how much you put on it, they must say $10,000 or something like that. I mean, no say it now serve me 1 2 day. When me that married, how is the lock hairstyle coming on? Why me catch it up, Me catch it up. As you are talking, me I pull it out. Me catch it. When me did have ear, my ear just say, can you just stop catch up your ear? Catching up your ear. Leave the ear to breathe. And I see something with the do with this or something here. With the do, I just sketch it up in a one and go about my business. In a, are you there or you travel? So we can't bother. Left in and all in a sit down and listen. 50 weeks, hope inspires. 50 week hope inspires. I don't live in all one. Yes, yeah, man, I not even remember our size. I think a 20 inch. A 20 inch? I not even know. I not even know when me they buy it. I remember where me they buy it. If I buy Amazon. I think I Shein do Amazon. I love wigs. No, sir. Me no know something is wrong with me and wigs. Anytime I put on wig, me sweat. Me just a sweat a go away so. And me just come to the conclusion and say, you know what? Wigs are not for me. Me love it out. All when me leave it and go back to it months after probably out. And as me take it off of my head, me cool down. Yes, I love wigs because she's so quiet. I saw stay if not have them you know her by now. And we alone at show. And we alone at show work. Yeah. We not, hey, you want to see TikTok, go patrol. I think it's up easy. I'm if you tell about her, she not easy. I want troll lot. She troll them more than the troll. Did you throw away the rest of this food? No, me eat it. Me eat it all off. Oh. I not throw away food, you know. I see I'm today I buy one food, me I tell my co-worker say, hey, we stop eating road, you know, we eat a road, we try. I don't do TikTok or yeah, me know, so you know the TikTok. Me know, so you know the TikTok, man. I know, so I me go tell what for come. Me not go back over there for me go there Saturday night. See who I work, I go look for yesterday. And yesterday I go look for your work or the day before. I come look for work. Ina doesn't do TikTok is ticking. No, she not do TikTok. Ina say TikTok the devil's playground. Yeah, me I talk about the food now. Me say, boy, me say, sometime you know, it, not sometimes, all the time it is healthier for you to cook on your yard. Because when you cook on your yard, you know where you put in your food. You know where you put in your food. You are used to people, some of these people, let me tell you something, people, because of the love of money, the Bible says the love of money is the root of all evil. Because of the love of money, people are doing every little thing these days. Forget money or forget people to buy from them. And so they will do anything. They will do anything to make sale. I will pay you to cook my lunch on it. I said the pan Oxford, not even want to cook lunch myself, much less. And since now I come in, we have when they buy sweet potato for when say me cook. Me that one sardine. I don't know where the sardine turn, if it turn right or same. And I say, I want nothing dry and I have to take my medication. And I just go and cook the sweet potato and cut out and put on a little bit of butter and cut that me eat for my dinner. Hope inspire TikTok for me. And that me eat for my dinner. Nice. And I don't forget KFC or Burger King or one of them places there. In our night. That work so good for me. Can't take me feel long. Yeah. But me tell about the food, man. I say, anytime I eat food at a place, half late, it sick me. Until I stop by there already, you know. And I stop again. Because the food not clean. The food at all. And my belly I reject the food. My belly I reject it. So I tell them, say, I not buy no more, I allow it out. Because obviously something is not right. Fish food sick your stomach too. Even the fish sick your stomach too, them not do fish. But I love stew peas. I mean, back in the days, we used to eat them stew peas. No. All of a sudden, different people that know still know, different people that know. But all of a sudden, man, anytime me eat them food, it'll give me a vibes. It'll give me a choke vibes. It'll give me a, like, you know, like something going in your system and if I go in there, and the vibes there it'll give me. And it give me a sick vibes because I eat it today. And I tell her, I mean, even I say to my co-worker, you know, I say to my co-worker, say, you know, say something alright with the food where them people there sell. Them people there mess around with the food where them cook. That me I say to her, I say to her, you know. I say, Miss Ken, and I say, yeah, man. My body I reject the food, my spirit I reject the food. Something is wrong about the food. And I say, we eat, and she say, the food not taste good today. I mean, I say to her, say, and only today alone, me I taste it from start back. That's why I made it stop by the for a while. Me I tell her. And me I say, me start back because me I say, the closest restaurant to it are them and the Chinese. And me I say, I don't want to eat too much of the Chinese, the fried rice or the noodles. It's better to eat like rice and peas. You understand, because of the diabetic situation. Me I say it to her, you know. And we buy the food, you know. We buy the food about 12. We buy the food about 1 o'clock. And we eat about some time if it ready 5 o'clock. If you hot up the food spoil. You can smell say the food. Either come like we have the yesterday and I have it in a fridge. Me as to her say, so me I tell her that is what I was telling you about. That is what I was telling you about. Like a rolling belly vibes, do you have to take up your adding to your food running to the no, not running belly vibes. I don't know if I can explain to you, but I don't know how to explain it to you. But I tell you something, I say the thing going on my system when I write, my system, me can feel it. Like it give me a vibes like, you know, like when you belly roll like you want to go to the restroom, and that kind of vibes they give me. It's like it now settle in my system. Now, me feel like eat all Wrigley's and a chicken and rice me I eat, and I like something different from chicken and rice, or something that everybody eat. Yeah, and by the time I 6 o'clock ready for the food, the food spoil like after yesterday food I have it there, and I want food come there 1 o'clock today. Like the rolling calf, yes. Go to your bed. Walk rock left, pick up yourself. Are you forgot your bed? You know 1 hour ahead of me. You know 1 hour ahead of me. Now level 24 which way you know. I am at the gym, my God. I wonder if the gym thing there that do not feel me, you know. But the food I tamper with the food, man. Then good at show highly nice food. Anything when I go for my system, you know, my system reject it, you know. You could have show highly nice food to catch people fear come back and then hey, people nowadays you have to be careful where you eat your road, you know. Because nobody not for your health, you know. All people are thinking about is money. How to make money. You understand? Got to keep the body fit. Yeah, you have to keep the body fit. You know, you're a union. Not even eat it. You know, you're a union. Rockcliffe, go to the cemetery. Go to the cemetery. Whoever go to the cemetery, go look for you. Whoever go to the cemetery, go look for. Warm cooking is the best way. I tell her, Rockcliffe, sometimes we find us that are sitting around with me. And we don't know. We don't know what the people are putting in our food then. And give people to eat. I stop eating there already, you know. I stop eating there for about a year. I not eat there. But me I say to myself, say, I have a guest waiting for him there. I'm going to wait for my Rockcliffe. You try to send somebody else. You better send your guest to somebody else. No matter why CC? Because they should work. And they should work. And they should work. So that's why she has sent her there. But me I said, but I have no guest for you. You don't want no guest. If she go look for her friend, them and give them yes. Because you told the host to go to her bed. What you say in Chigaya, I got Jesus. You hear that? You don't want none of your guests them you have. And that's unacceptable. And she said, to your trouble, to your house, I'm going to bed. She want if we go in a cemetery, a discipline, she a discipline you. There she there. Oh, who up, who up. Me I go check out the something in the life. Me I check out the something. Why I don't know all my life rough stuff in terms of time. And sometimes I don't know what me I do with it. I don't know what I'm doing with time. Every time I say me I go do this, me I go do that. Something else come up and I forget for you. But for when you send me something, I'm tell you, I never check it out. I don't know, I'm not check it out yet. Rockcliffe, no. Time is run, okay. Time I run too fast, man. Okay. It a run inner. It a run left free. That's why I want to try for. I want to try for. Oh, what I do want to add to me, you know. That's why I go start up my business then. It's on a serious note. Come on, me I work and me business them. I make money while me I work. Me I work, do my regular work. I for me there and I left and I left until I have no intention for leaving right now unless something else happen. I if I'm not work for nobody else. I thought that I put that out in the atmosphere. Not nobody else. Okay, mama, when you're ready. Yes, me I send them I want you to do a ads to me. I want to start promoting my thing, you know. I want to start promote my thing. Because you know my thing with me, I'm not really, I'm not really cheap. I want to start do up my things then. Start. The Lord bless me and so much we just sit down for YouTube or type. No, sir. I need to get my business off. Well, it have to be done already. I just need to focus on it. You know how long we not put in? You know how long we not advertise now? Every time I advertise, I get sale. I not do nothing big for Mother's Day. I don't do nothing for Mother's Day this time. We go all out for Valentine's. We never go now with Father's Day. I go do some Father's Day stuff. I notice that the woman them not really want. The woman them not really want something to give their husband and their fiance and their boyfriend. Whether Mother's Day or when a Valentine's Day. Hey, we women we selfish, but you know we're very selfish. We're very selfish. Me not gonna say we know because me is not a part of it. Father's Day, yes. Me is not a part of it. So me not gonna say we because me not want to get involved. Valentine's Day the man then go all out and buy basket for much $2. Mother's Day when they come for we our mothers is another basket or gift that. And if you not go with it, I'll be a turn face and vex up face. Right? Plus are your husband or your fiance or fear gear things. Why is it when Father's Day, woman find so much excuse at about deadbeat father, and this a father, and that the father. Now the same deadbeat father they give something for Valentine's. And I see a deadbeat father they give something for your birthday. And then the same deadbeat father give something for Valentine's, for Mother's Day. We for cut out them something because of change. Of course, woman for true. Spend money per man. And true. That's how the man spend money per way. If you spend money per the man feel good. Make them feel just like how we feel good. Guess what? On Father's Day, watch it. But we are going to give him. We are cook dinner for him. And we are going to give him look loving. Then he never did forget dinner for a morning. He never forget loving for a morning. What is special in that? Not special. Nothing is special in you cooking for your partner. Or it for you love. Because a part of it, I agree, Ratcliffe. At least we can agree on something. You understand? Woman, I believe that women are very selfish. Women can be very selfish. Deal with the man them good. Treat the man them good. For Father's Day, make them feel special. Now boy, you give them look as you forgive them love for all true. Look special. Them want gift basket too. Man have gift basket too, you know. Basket too. Carry them for one picnic. Carry them for one spa. Make them get head to fleek. You understand? Carry them out to a fancy restaurant. KK and chat done. Light done. Good night. Good night, Pat. Good night, good night, good night. Yeah. Man forget look after two man. We too selfish. I want all for ourselves. Everything we are talking about, we are going to give them love making. Love making a part of a game from morning. See, saying, hi Pat, welcome, Pat. I give me love. I want that flowers. Yeah. Good night, Alva. Ina, I bed. I Patty, look at say, talk to take. Yeah, if we stop it, we are going to give a nice dinner. You should figure a man nice dinner all the time. Every now and then they give him one little treat. But for Father's Day, make him feel good too, man. Make the man feel good for Father's Day. And that may I say. Man feel good all the time. Make him feel extra special for Father's Day. Carry him, gonna get him towards them, you know. And fingernail them. Get him fingernail, you know, but make you get the, you know, the people them do the right thing. Get him go scrub him foot. Make him go sit down in a one massage chair and massage him little back. He might work so hard to carry the money come give. Some of you not even want the money for shorten for no reason. Then look like the man money for him, man. Hey, Ina, 18 is lovely birthday really. CCNC. We can give the men a windmill tour. I want that. Yes, it's true. You want to see what my wife get from her, from her birthday. Michael Kors, and slippers, and some more stuff, and take her dinner. What is this? Nice Alva, yeah man, you know if it treat people good, yeah. Guys, Alva my friend, and I'm a friend, I'm a brother from another mother. Classmate, class of 95. So much years in a night. Forever. That's nice. Yeah, brother, I know say yeah, know your stuff from morning. Alva man we know your stuff from morning. And I tell you I'm a virgin, I'm a brother that. In where you see Alva buy my wedding dress. Everybody me tell you that. My wedding dress, Alva buy it. Alva said, my sister, you choose your wedding dress already. I said, I'm going to buy the dress. And Alva said, I buy the dress. How much you dress? I get the US for the dress. I change it from the one where I tell him, say, I go buy it. I never tell him. I know say, me that give me the extra money, but I never did tell him. Alva foreigner, I get me US to buy my dress. Yes. Everybody me tell say Alva a good friend that. Good friend that. I'm a brother from 1995 till now. A good bond. If you take care of a woman, and a woman if you take care of a man, he go vice versa. And I'm often a year time. You see this whole heap of setup. So then I wonder why people do the gift. Because all of them the gift and sell off. Why did you like Oliver's? What? Why did you like Oliver's tree? That's predictable. And don't like mine. That is unpredictable. Why your one? What is your treat? We go to cemetery. We don't know cemetery, boy. Yeah. We don't deal with cemetery. I like. Yeah, your people can stay as cemetery. Oh, the windmill tour. That's what I ask her, what kind of windmill you talk? The windmill where we know about, regular windmill, where breeze come out of. Eh? Why you don't care somebody go for a windmill tour? If I a windmill, I know where you talk because my workplace, we must have a rent crane and them something there. So oftentimes we work on windmill. So if I sitting there generate energy. Only the recipient will. You understand? And you see gift basket every day. Watch Father's Day come. God bless the few local basket we are go out, if none out. And if we stop it, if we make the man them feel good. Can I tell you something? You not treat man good because you think say you treat him good so you want him to do certain things or whatever, you know. It is the right thing to do. It is the right thing to do to treat your partner good. Me and I can go on. Yes. Oh, you say you never go up on the windmill. You want you all go up on the windmill for Father's Day? Make the man do a look of facial. The man probably never do a look of facial before. Carry the man go do a look of facial. And you don't have to do expensive thing, you know. You don't have to do expensive thing. You don't have to do expensive thing. If you know say you not have to treat the man certain way, go up on YouTube, go learn. Learn how to do butt massage. Learn how to do one pedicure. It's a for the unmarried. Alva so she say, yeah, no, I can't go on it, because you're married. So you have to go look, somebody. One next man have to go on the show. If open him go tour. But Yana can't go because she said, you're gone already. Lord God. On. Learn. Go on YouTube, go learn. Learn how to do things. You think everything you're going to know? It's not about being expensive. It's the thought that counts. Yeah, it is. But you have some people where they say they not have the money. If you not have the money, learn to do the thing and treat your partner. I got 4 in pedicure. Which 4? 4 hour. 4 eggs. What kind of 4 in pedicure? What are you talking about? You can learn everything, anything you want to learn upon YouTube. It might not give you full detail. But I see all of them. I know about 4 in pedicure. I must say 4 eggs. You can learn. Any little thing you want to learn, you can learn it on YouTube. You never get. You never can find, like, some intricate details, them never really give. Because you don't all them stay. Them always keep back some things. You never can get the full puzzle. Something have to left off it. But you learn enough where you can make a difference. If me tell you, say, before, how long me be a YouTuber, every time me ask somebody to help me, nobody don't want to help me. Nobody don't have the time, because first of all, knowledge. But you ladies want the expensive gift, not the thought that counts. Whoa, yeah, Pat, are you Ratcliffe address that I wanted to use this stuff? I want to be a YouTuber. Everybody may ask, nobody don't have the time for me. I just go up on YouTube and just watch video little by little. Me not even know the first thing to do about editing and this. And I've come a far away, come here and learn little where they might teach me and where me learn off of my own. Alva Pata laugh. When me learn off of my own, you understand? When I say, for me, it's neither here nor there. That's why I tell you, I can't put myself in a situation. Because if you don't want to give me Valentine's gift, a matter of fact, me not get no Valentine's gift. Not this year, I get Valentine's gift this year. And the only reason I get Valentine's gift this year is because me I do Valentine's basket. Because I stop my husband from buying. I said, no, buy it. I want to spend 15,000, this 1,000. And when you come and be a foolishness in the basket, I tell you, I said, babes, don't buy no more, love. Don't buy no more. I said, I not feel nowhere. Just don't buy no more. I don't do Valentine's around here. Whatever is this? Me do it. I don't care either, KK. Yeah, love. Don't want no more. No buy no more. Me good. As this year the first we get Valentine's from them time, because through me did the Valentine basket. Me put in the basket where me want. Thought that goes. Sir, if thought put the bills, every broke man would have what? Millionaire by now. That is it. Who do it? Yeah. Understand? And me get my basket this year for me, when me make. And my husband pay for it. And he have to pay for it. And if him dog already go buy it, him dog buy it. So me get money in me. In a each, he pay me money. And me did give a basket too. And me pay my money. And I him like him basket and don't have to. Still have my little teddy. And one perfume. Me eat off the chocolate them and the wine and the other things there. Yeah, I understand. But we have to do better for the man them. We have to come out for the man them this year. My husband, as me say, him on Valentine's and film birthday the near one gift me a give. One gift. He can't afford two. One gift me a give. And then now for Father's Day, I say happy Father's Day, my love. And cook your favorite meal. One gift, you mad? Yeah. I mean one gift, you know, I mean say one single gift him I get, but I mean say him not get gift for him birthday and get gift Father's Day. Do it. Anything I do, I just do it one time. Two different days. And one set of gift him I get for 2 days. Me not have it. Me not have it. We don't have it all. We don't have it at all. So I have to just manage. And then remember say no, him husband born June, you know. Father's Day June. Me born July. We anniversary August. See, you understand what I say? So I be money spending from the touch June right back. So right now, I one gift I get. And then now, in October, what gonna do? What gonna do? What gonna do the wedding there? The hotel, something we are do. We probably gonna just make that day, the anniversary and everything. Celebrate your anniversary that time. And everything. Cause everything expensive these days, you know. Everything expensive these days. In Panama, no, so I'm not going to Panama. Next year I go foreign. Jamaica. I not go to Panama when there. When time I start my money on YouTube, let's start go a different place. 2 different days. So Valentine's Day I'm moving around like tax season now. Just admit say the budget never budget. How is the hotel thing going? It not going good. And when they will pay with second money. We pay with second money, the 20 something. I think I 27 last month. We pay the second money. But it's expensive, man, much expensive than the one we got last year. But me I said down there nice. I said down there nice. So I tell you, go down there. Tell you, we did it for maybe that about Mother's Day or something. That's why she said she now go come for our trip because she don't make plan for the Mother's Day. She said, oh nice. Can't wait for come there, go take some whole heap of picture and video and go out with myself. We're going to miss you though. We're going to miss you. But we have to just condition it in our mind. Say, We not see it till next year. We not see it till next year. But them a say next year they want to go foreign. So we don't know where we are going for Palaba, we are going to go or for Dabalika. But they say a foreign them a think about for next year. You know, say you have the vibes of the party. But we just going to make the best use of it. You understand? We are going to make the best use of it. You're going to see me in December. Oh, December, yeah, come down. Yeah, man. Yeah, when you come down, you're going to have a link up. And then you come down, you always have link. But no matter, I want to near Christmas, you know, because I have to do my Christmas cake and something like so. I have so, you come early December. Master, link up, master. Yeah, the master link up. They tell me, oh, you have, you have the link up. So, because once you touch in a week, Christmas, the week before Christmas and Christmas week, I don't have no time. It's rough for me last year. I think last year I make one bigger batch. I make a bigger batch so I could have put in more cake at one time in the oven. I want to reach weeks. Okay. Yeah. But me have 2 stove now, so hopefully we can do better next year. I never really do no promotion on the cake. I got money for you. Yes, you have money for me when you're ready. You know, I have to rush down for the money. Yeah. Hopefully we can promote. We couldn't promote last year because fruits is scarce last year. Fruits is scarce last year. 2 buckets of fruits may have and the 2 of them done. When people are asking about order, they say fruits done. Oh, I'm going to start soak out snow. Start soak fruit snow back for December. I probably 3 buckets this time. So just in case. People didn't buy up the cake last year, man. Yeah, I have some already. I need to buy some more. And then now I just take the rum and the red label. Still when it reach. And the red label users are. There is not alcohol in there. The wine are fruit wine. Yeah, man. I want do them now so we can get free. So then soak. When you take out them there, no man, you're junk. When you pull all the top of that there, container there, you're junk in our place. It's a stack away. Yeah, man. Sleep I take me in about 1 to 2 hours. Hour is now 95. 25 minutes left. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, my people thank you for coming out and support me, man. If you like a thumbs up, guys, if you have not yet done so. I'm streaming from Jamaica. If you are watching me and you have not yet comment, you can comment with us in the comment section. I know that some people is just chilling in the back. Thank you for chilling in the back. I appreciate you chilling. Yeah, man, I have some fruits. We have some fruits already. We have. When I make my cake, you know, I put everything. My cake, I put everything in my cake. I put raisin, we put prune, put carrot, cherry, mixed fruit, all of them. A rich fruit cake you get, you know. I make flan. Rich fruit cake. I hope you tell I hope you tell them about the fruit cake. Hope say cake make it tell me another cake. We say me now have no more cake left. Yeah, hope you can make one for me. Me say I don't have no more fruit left. Hope you tell them all the fruit cakes are real fruit cake I get. And a joke. And a joke cake. Man has every fruit cake bad. It's large and it's charged. Yeah, I tell you. Yeah, I tell you, Mr. Alvin, we sell some new people at Golden Spring. And we say when my husband go at Golden Spring, them say things say, Kevin, you know what with that cake? Kevin said again. Cake done. You know, one of the women who did order, she ordered two big ones here and now. Me not done order yet, you know. Me like I said, she got order further down. So my husband said, look here, and one time a year my wife bake fruit cake. So I don't know which order you are talking about. No more order. I'm going to try your Easter bun next. The Easter bun thing out for true. It is Easter bun. I tell you, my husband alone eat off the cheese Easter bun, you know. My husband alone eat off the Easter bun. He's saying, okay, you know, me not really treat me not really. But me I tell you, me eat. I must about 4 rice or 5 me eat. You know, I'm not supposed to eat sweet. But me tell you, say nice, me not telling a lie. Not because of me do it. It's nice. And then me soak me. You know, more learn to make pudding. I don't know if pudding, you know. More learn to make pudding. I would eat peas. No, yeah, man. I say, man, as ever say, CC and say, Mama, I want one next one. Knoxford, me Knoxford it down to her in a pot. Knoxford, she get her cake pan. Me dey have quite a few Knoxford me sell cake pan December. I sell a couple of cake. Or all my co-workers them dey a Montego Bay. And one box, 2 big box of cake me send down for Knoxford. Not tell a lie, man. The cake sale look good this year. Every year it get better, but I tell a lie. God is good and faithful. Every year the cake sale get better. Every year it get better. When you touch in December, I don't I may always left 2 days out of my leave. 2 days out of my leave, me always leave for December because I always have a need to help me. I forget a day or two. So I can just run off the day. The days they will be here. Because guess what, the people them not order the cake, they put the cake until then I say make them put in their order and make you do it and put it down. Body I order one time. And I overload still everybody. And I want new recipe me try. No, and I really new recipe. Just the quantity. Me always do like a 1 pound cake. Something. Now me do I get more cake to put in our oven. 2 oven for December. So probably so rough palm, do your shit cake. I've never done it, you know. When they tell me to do it, whenever they do it, what's your name? Jamaica, Jamaican. They tell me, say, me fi ship it. Me I tell her, say, I don't know how to do it. But I guess if me get no, me never do no promotion for me cake them. And if you start the promotion for them. Yeah, Jam Snow Queen, yeah. She tell me if you ship it to her. But me tell her, I never do it before, I don't know how to do it. But I guess you have to learn though. Because I never expect me to go ship cake for Knoxford. Most of it, me ship cake, your cake. Me ship cake to my cousin at St. Anne. And then her daughter order cake too. Me have to ship it to her daughter, Falmouth. And me ship to Montego Bay. Me ship about 20 cake to Montego Bay. Plus my husband have film set of people them where forget order. Plus me have my town people them where order. I have my farmer church. Few orders they come from a farmer church. People them. I tell her. And the last batch of cake or fruits are the last set of order. Same thing happened last year. The last batch of fruit are the last set of order we may have on hand. So the people that may come after, they couldn't get none. Yes, Mama, you have to learn so you can expand your business. Yeah, man, true. I tell my co-worker, my advisor, my little co-worker. She buy Mother's Day, she buy birthday, anything we have to do with and like flowers and them look or something there. I mean she order it from. So she order one I love you. One personalized I love you. But it's send it to you. She ordered that for her mother's birthday. And the other one I sent to you again. The art. She ordered that for her mother's day. But you know what, she will give her a gift other than that, but she forget the arrangement. And me I look on it and me I say, why can't you say your hand blessing a man, you just sit down. You just sit down for your blessing, so girl. One amount of money out the road and wait for you. And you just sit down so. And I tell myself, say, you know what? I'm going to rise up. I am blessed. I am blessed and I'm going to rise up and put my black hand together. Business name. Now what's your business name? KK, happy blessed night and the chat. Hey J Brown, what a one. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Up yourself, J Brown. Today I'm gonna go and chat, you know. I wait for me to IJB. Left me JB alone. It better late than never. It better late than never. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I start put my blessing into work. I start make some money. At 3 something I do for 3 something I do for Father's Day. And I good money me collect. I do 2 for Mother's Day. I do 2 this I'm do 1 this. Because I did that before Mother's Day. Yeah, man. I never did a promotion. The way JB is, the way J Brown is laughing. Oh, I missed something. And me, you are give the name one. Dumpling. Yeah. Why? See, let's die. The way J Brown is laughing in the picture. It's as if he won the lottery. You know, easy now. Where you was a J Brown a laugh? Why was a J Brown a laugh? Hello, Andre. How are you? Blessed night. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Where are you watching me from? Welcome to my live. Checking in. Check. Why does a J Brown a laugh? Man as ever. CC Wagon. Man as ever, you don't see him smiling in the photo. Me don't see nothing. Which photo? Me don't see nothing. I don't see nothing wrong. Yeah, Father Jesus, pick up yourself. I see it's 32. Where's the German? You think Zambia left that far? Are you me left that far? No, sir. I know you me left far at all. I think Kevin the cook too, you know. I think Kevin the cook. Okay, I saw fish, I don't play. You love what you see. You love what you see. J Brown, that's where you come from again. Clarendon, you don't want a river. One river for good river. One river for to go start there with my guests. Somebody tell me about Nice River. I'm going to see how which part. Oh, Miss Titi, tell me about one river near Nice River. I saw you mean with your dumplings. You want to take half of that? Or you want to take the whole of that? Why cut probably you know but I want it. Yes, I love a smiling man. No frowning like Barry. The frown. Yeah, but hello. Yeah, coming like where my guy then here? Jebel, where the guy name again always come attack some things for your life then. Where the guy name man? He always a come chat something for your life then. Milk River. You can cook Milk River. A Milk River. I was on a river and they say alligator in a crocodile. A Salt River. Marlon. No, so don't need a ring your bell. One of the chat some foolish, she said I call up your name, J. And I say, yeah, you my brother or something. He always come from Pot Life. He always see from Pot Life. Remember when Yes, Jimmy. Who put that sound like Jimmy? I'm foolish Jimmy right up. In a comment section, Hey, me feel for a mango. Too late now. It's too late now. Yeah, Jimmy. Oh, God. Yes, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I'm holding on. I'm holding on. I'm holding on. You mean Jimmy the clown? I know Yanima was a family. Yanima family. I see a saying chat so that I don't understand. But it's funny. Did you cry yesterday or why? Why you ask? What happened if I cry yesterday or today? Mercy, rewrote my life. Mercy, rewrote in a yard life, my life. I could have fallen, my soul cast down. And His mercy rewrote my life. Mercy. Yes, time is coming down. We are going to pray and go to bed. I don't care if I read the Bible. Couple chapter of the Bible. I said I can't do a look reading. Maybe I talk about a long time, like 1 week past. Now yesterday I read the Bible. Jimmy is my brother, not my twin. I J Brown said, Go read a scripture and pray and go to bed. Thank the Lord for another day. What may I tell you, say, you have to thank God, you know, you have to thank God. When you go out and coming back safe, you have to thank God because we say some things are happening now. Nowadays, it's so frightening. It is so frightening these days. Some things that is happening. People left their yard and go out and then don't come back. Them left them yard and go and then don't come back. And so if they do come back, they not come back in the same way. I J-Brown. J-Brown said, I know CC. J-Brown said, inability to bless night. Okay, JJ. Inability. Troublesome time taking. Yeah. I tell a man, say right now, if a man needs to take a side right now, man have to pick a side. Is it either on God's side or either on the devil's side? But now all the time for you pick a side. Because I tell you, say, out the road, dread there. I went Saturday, me get a phone call from one of my friends. And she has said to me, say, what go on? And she has said, you're there warm, you're there work. She has said, no, I'm not there work. I'm not there work. So I said, come here, there work. She has tell me, say, she a walk on a flat place. Yes, flat. And her foot just ring. She said she don't know her foot ring because and I like she one step down is there but she never reach a step down. She just a walk normal. So I say you have her heels. She said no, she never have her no heels. She just jumped and broke her foot. The foot ring and it broke in at the ankle and it broke up at the knee. Oh, that happened? I know. She don't know how that happened. So I tell her, say, when we left out and when we come in back in our all pieces, we have to lift we and thank Jesus. We have to thank God. Because some strange things happen upon the world. In the world, I don't know. I don't know at all. But in the God of our salvation, we trust that when He take you out in the morning, He will bring you back in the evening. You understand? Keep you safe, keep your loved one safe. We wish everybody would be safe. You understand? Yeah, man, sometimes we go out there and before we go out there and try to spread love and them something there, we still get up every day, you know, with the energy in our heart. We still get up on bad energy. And nobody don't know what the next minute. Nobody know what the next minute is going to be. Nobody don't know what the next minute is going to be. It's serious. You will just dead and then you just hear say, you don't know, say Tom Brown drop down. You don't know, say Sharon just go sleep and Sharon wake up. And all I just some mystery things are going on. You understand the person there now, and by tomorrow, you hear say something wrong. Whoa, sorry to hear. Yeah, you understand? Who could have hear say, I gone, she gone, you know. When she send me the picture of food wrap up from down her toe come right up like this the middle of her leg because it look like the knee and the ankle block somewhere this one. You can see how the foot the ankle it obvious that the ankle break because the to all the ankle twist. How the picture look, yes can know say the ankle break. May I tell her, it's rough. So that's why when time we go out and we coming back, we have to give God thanks. Send carry out and carry back safely. Anyway, my people. I 2 hour that you know. That is the 2 hour my lovelies. Thank you for sitting and chatting with me. We have to ask God covering over our lives. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. We can't take it for granted and feel like say God owe it not time. You understand? God no owe it nothing at all. So we just have to just live your life, be good, try to love as much people as you can, and just be honest, be good, be a brother's keeper. So right now, sleep and not me now, guys. Did you cry yesterday or today? Cry about what? Oh, what I cry about? No, I did not cry. Tears come to my eye. Tears come to my eye when I read something that somebody sent me. It was so touching, you know. I never know that I have such an impact on people. I never know that I have such an impact. The words that was expressed in the message, it just, you know, just warms my heart, and I never know that it impacted, the little that I did impact so much on that individual. You understand? So it kind of bring a little tears to my eye, but I did not cry. J. Brown, you don't cry. Anyway, leave J. Brown alone. Anyway, my bread, me lovelies. Wanna big up on yourself, I thank you so much. And for those of you that are here, if you have not yet seen my new video, please check out the new video, guys. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. You understand? Let the video, remember, I am looking watch hour. So if you can run the video twice, if you can run the video with your what you call it, with your ninja, you understand? If you can share it, that somebody can watch it, I would be greatly appreciated. But until then, I just want to tell you, thanks for your continued support, and just be good, walk good, you know, continue to live a life that impacts others, okay? Love you, lovelies, love you, bye, bye, bye. So you did cry. I not think me cry. Tears came to my eye, but me not cry. Cry for what? See. You know, Deborah, when she ask them question, if come out, we are going to close off now, Cece. Tell me why you ask me if we cry. What is it? Why? Tell me before we close off. I mean, want to close off now and go my bed. Deborah, you don't cry. Cece, probably does that. I make up. Cece does that make up chat food. Yeah. But thank you so much, Cece. It's always a pleasure seeing you guys. Familiar faces. Alright? Watching the new video. Cece, you watching video already? Ina, you watching video? Jerry Brown, watching video already? Yeah, Pat watching. This is the Pat watching already. Guys, every person in the back, because we know that I know 7 people. I not talk to 7 people, but it's 7 people on the live. So if you have not yet watched my new video, or I store my scallion or green onion, please watch the video. Alright? So I'll see you guys tomorrow in another stream. I might do an early stream tomorrow when I reach work. Alright, 2 hours, and then when we reach home in the night. Alright, blessings, love you guys. Take care. Blessed night, Jay. Blessed night, everybody. Ina, you go live? Tell me if you're live. So we could have all up look at it for you. Alright, when you wake up in the night, cheers if you're live. Maybe see you. Alright? Bye bye, guys.